Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, let me discuss about HTML links. HTML links are the hyperlinks. It helps you to jump one web page to another web page. It is when we move the cursor to the on the HTML, it appears as a small hand, and anchor tag is used to create links. A means anchor, and href means hypertext. It is a syntax. Anchor tag, open tag, we refer an attribute called href, hypertext reference, and we put a link in a whites, and we have placed a name, visit Google, and closing of anchor tag. It is an example. When we use visit Google, I have shown an example. Now when we execute this link, we see visit Google. When we click it, we jump to the Google's web page. It means it helps to move between web page and web page. By default, the link will follow all the browser. An unvisited link underlined blue color, and visited link which appears underlined purple color, and active link underlined and red color. Now you can see the output. When we see, links can be coarsely styled using and can be removed default decorations too. HTML links having the target attribute. It means when we click that HTML link, the actual where it should be open. It means _self. It is a value of a target attribute. When we click that link, opens a document in the same window or a tab as it was the click. And _blank opens a document in a new window. When we click any link, the particular web page or website document of that particular link will open in a new window or a tab. Now HTML link, the target attributes open in the parent frame. Top is a value of a target document too. Opens the document in the full body of window. It means it is also about opens the document in the same window itself where the link was. HTML links use image as a link. HTML links are nothing but only the text. HTML links can be the image. When we click the image, it navigates to the another document or a web page. If we use an image as a link, just put image tag between opening tag of anchor and the closing tag of anchor. When you see example here, I have created href http google.com's link. The target value equals to blank, which means the target value blank. The Google's link should be open in a new tab. Here use image as a link. You see an example here, anchor href google.com. You should mention http to image source Google PNG. Alt is an attribute used for alternate text if image was not displayed properly or any error occurs. And source is an attribute. src means source. It helps where actual the image source was path linked to an email address. Use mail to insert a href. If we use mail to, then it navigates to a email website. Link title. A title is also attribute of an image. It specifies extra information about the element. Here we written in a Google document, and I have written a title goes to the Google website. Now if we execute this link, you can understand more clearly. When the link, what the name of link? Google. if the name of the link Google, when we move the mouse over the Google, there will be a small pull down text with what the text inside we have written the title. Yeah, just see how the actual execution would be. It would be better understanding to you. I have taken that example. I have written Google text link. So when I execute, wait, I will write all these links in separate. It would be better to understand you. It is a boilerplate of HTML, which was default code given by the Visual Studio Code, and I used live server to run. See, you can see there when I mouse over there, Google website, the title appears. Now href attribute to define link address, use target attribute to define where the open link document, and use the image tag inside the to set image as a link. Use a mail to scheme inside href to create link that opens email program. Directly it opens. HTML lists allow web developers to group set of related items. There are actually 3 types of list: ordered list, unordered list, and the description list. Unordered list, we see a unordered bullet points, squares, etc. And ordered list, there will be a particular order from 1 to 2 or 1 to series on A, B, C and another Roman numbers too we can set. In ordered and unordered, we use type attribute for these lists. It is the example output, and let me see the code how actually. Unordered list is starts with the UL tag. U means unordered, L means list, and LI tag is nested between UL tags. LI means list item, which we are to write inside it. Ordered list starts with OL, O ordered, L for list, and also nested between list of items. Each item is embedded using LI tags, LI open tag, LI close tag. It is the example code you can see. Now I have taken example code. It would be better to see practical, then you gain more knowledge than the theoretical knowledge. So open it. I will see. We have created Google. If we move there we can see the small text Google, and coffee, tea, milk. It is an unordered list with the circles, and coffee, tea, milk with a list with a sequence of 1, 2, 3 numbers. If I mention the type attribute inside the UL or OL tag, then the type of a bullet list or the type of the ordered list will be changed. You can see there I have mentioned a type and square, and I have saved the file using Ctrl+S, and now you can see the square bulleted list. And now I can also use circle disk. It is nothing but as previous, the black circle filled with, yes. If I mention circle, there would be a circle with empty circles without any black filled color of unordered list. I mention circle, then now you can see, yes. Now type attribute, I have mentioned I. It helps for Roman numbers, small Roman numbers, I, double I, triple I, yes. If I mention capital I, it also prints the capital Roman numbers order of list. A, then it goes sequence of A, B, C order. Yes, you can see. It is all about the type attribute which is were used for ordered list and unordered list. And now you can see actual execution. By default there were 1, 2, 3, and by default of unordered list was the disk, and ordered list was the number sequence of 1, 2, 3. If you want to change, you can change using the type attribute. Now about the HTML description list, it also supports HTML description list. Description list is a list of items. We use DL tag to create description list, and DT tag which is used to define the data item. We have DL and we nested DT and DD. DT means the term which we want to describe about it, and DT the data about the term coffee. We describe description was milk. Okay, white cold drink is a description of milk. UL means an order list, OL ordered list, LI list of item, DL description list, DT description term, and DD description data. Once a small revision about all the tags which were used previously. And now let me see execution of the description list practically. I use HR, which we discussed HR about previously, horizontal line, which displays a horizontal line on the screen of a web document. Now I have used description list. Now you can see, yes, I used HR. So each list is differentiated using sections. HR description list. Yes, there you can see description data coffee, and we have write a DD for description data black hot tea. It was one tab, given a one tab space before the description, and milk is a term and the description about it. White cold drink, before it there was a one tab space. Because of this type of list, it would be better to have nesters and proper alignment by using HTML images. Images can improve the design and appearance of a web page. The images are the main attractive in the web page and looks more visually understandable. Image is an empty tag, doesn't have any closing tag. It is a self-closing tag, it also called as. Image has two required attributes, source and alternate. Source specifies the SRC specifies source, alter specifies alternate. If the image was not open, does not appear, the browser has an error when we tried to display. If it is unable to display, then the alternate text will be displayed. It is a syntax, actual syntax. URL means uniform resource locator, like http www.google.com. The type of links we link using the SRC. So here image, so the URL would be the image link. I have written an example for the image link too. I had downloaded a Google image, small Google image from the Google web browser. We can use the height, width attributes too in the image tag. I have written an image tag using source google.jpg. I have saved my file using the google.jpg, and the file the image was in the same path where the HTML file I have written located. If the image was in another folder, we should mention the another path in the source and alternate text to Google icons. If the text was not, image was not, because I doesn't give any link, so the Google icons alternate text is displayed. You can see clearly. Yeah, now the image was displayed. I have mentioned width 70, height 70, which helps to adjust the width and height of the image. Let me see overall practical execution about those. Thank you for watching until end of the video. If you want more technical content like this, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.